Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel and happy 2020. I don't know about you guys, but I am so excited to embark on this new year. I have a feeling 2020 is going to be amazing. So I hope you guys feel the same way. And today I thought we would kick off with a fun video. So I am going to be doing a Bougie Mascara battle. So as many of you know, I love my Chantecaille. This is the Faux Cils Longest Lash Mascara, and this little baby rings in at $72, which is crazy, I know, but I'll tell you, there's a reason behind it. I was asked if I would do a battle with the Christian Louboutin. This is this beautiful $70 mascara. So today we are going to do a little bougie battle of the mascaras. So today we are gonna do a little battle of the $70 mascaras. We are gonna put them on my eyes, wear them, give you a really good wear test, and then I also want to share a couple little drugstore dupes for each of these guys. As I said, I have not always been a bougie mascara wearer, so if you're interested in learning a little bit more about these two mascaras, as well as some other little mascaras that I love from the drugstore, let's go ahead and start this battle. Okay, you guys, so quick little story is that yes, I have been wearing the Chantecaille Faux Cils Longest Lashes for a very long time, and the reason I got onto this is because I destroyed my lashes when I embarked on doing lash extensions for about a year or so, and at some point my lashes just couldn't withstand the extensions anymore, and it just really kind of I really didn't have many lashes. So in my zeal to rebuild my lashes, I was using lash serums, but I also discovered the Chantecaille Longest Faux Cils lashes, and I have to tell you, I do attribute my lash repair to this guy, and I absolutely love it. It's crazy expensive for a mascara, but there is a reason why I really love it. I also want to say that a tube of this mascara lasts me for about 3 months. Like, I'm not kidding. I still am using one. So the difference between what I find with drugstore and these more expensive is that they have a longer shelf life. So basically I get about 3 months to one tube versus when I use something like CoverGirl Lash Blast, which was one of my favorites from the drugstore, as well as the L'Oreal Voluminous, the Carbon Black. I always love that, and I still use those, you guys. But in general, when I was trying to rebuild my lashes, I really have to say this guy did wonders. So then we've got this beautiful mascara. Let's take this out. So I will have to say right off the bat, if we are just judging the mascaras on their packaging, this one comes in a beautiful box. You open it up and you definitely feel special. This guy comes in the classic Chantecaille purple. So if we're gonna judge just on packaging, we're gonna have to go with the Christian Louboutin. Now you guys, I will tell you, this is quite weighty. So it has a nice feel to it. It's very luxurious, and this rings in at $70. We're gonna open this guy up. And right off the bat, when I'm gonna try to see if you guys can see, this reminded me of my CoverGirl Lash Blast brush. So this one is more of the rubberized kind of brush that you can really get in and kind of separate those lashes. So that is going to be this kind of brush. And again, you guys, really nice and weighty, very luxurious, and it's kind of cute and fun. So if that matters to you. Official name of this gorgeous mascara is L'Oeil Noir's Lash Amplifying Lacquer. And let me give you a little bit of information about this guy. It is said to deliver dramatic volume, enhancing the definition, length, lift, and curl of lashes. So this is going to promise pretty much everything you would want in a mascara. So a one-stop shop. So not just lengthening, also volumizing and having that nice pigment. This is created with highly concentrated pigments that layer seamlessly, no flaking or smearing. It provides fierce color and sets with a luminous finish for impactful color reflection that lasts all day. Designed with a brush composed of both vertical and horizontal bristles, this lash amplifying lacquer ensures smooth and precise applications. Bristles at the tip of the brush lift and shape the smallest lashes. This jewel is made of intricately ribbed brass reminiscent of Art Deco architecture. Its gold silhouette is topped with a delicate black shiny crown dressed in spikes. This is encased in a jewelry-like box. So you guys, this is definitely luxe, okay? So yes, but it is also promising to be quite wonderful on the lashes. So we've got that to test out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to apply this guy on my left side here, and then we'll put the other on the opposite. We are gonna do full wear test. I'm gonna check in and everything. So we're putting this to the battle. So I'm gonna bring you in just a little bit, and I am going to start to build this mascara. Okay, you guys, putting on, kind of coating the lashes. This is like what I do with my other mascara. So obviously, compared to this side, looks much better. I'm gonna do just a little bit more. Gonna wipe a little bit of this tip down, and we'll put a little bit down on the bottom. We've got the Christian Louboutin on this side. Now we are going to talk about the Chantecaille. This is the Faux Cils longest last mascara. And you guys, this mascara has a lash peptide technology in it. And this powerful peptide helps enhance the appearance of your natural lash length, thickness, and fullness. The formula features the non-clumping double helix brush to comb and feather lashes for defined volume. So you guys, this one's gonna have more of a traditional kind of wand versus the other one. Immediate volume is achieved by a special combination of natural waxes. Unique peptide helps enhance the appearance of natural lash length, thickness, fullness without discoloration or irritation. Contains conditioning rose oil. Now, this could be a little unfair because I'm used to using this mascara on the daily, but we're gonna put these guys to the test. But I am going to do the best I can to give these an equal shot. Okay, we have got the Chantecaille on this side over here. Now, what I will say is between the two eyes, This was a little easier for me to put on, but again, you guys, I use this all the time, so it's probably not a fair shake. I tend to prefer this kind of brush over the brush like this guy. I'm gonna leave both sides like that, and I'll show you from the side. This is the Chantecaille, and then this is the Christian. Okay, so we have got both of these guys on. We're gonna do a full wear test. I am gonna be checking in throughout the day between the two, and I'm gonna let you guys decide which one you like better, as well as share two of my drugstore kind of comparison mascaras. Okay, let's go for, okay, quick little check-in. And we've got over here, this is this battle. And again, noticing I look kind of tired today. So we've got my Chantecaille over here. And then we have got this guy on the left side. And so far, since I have my kids at home, I have asked them which ones they like better on each eyeball. So far my Chantecaille is winning, but I also have to say, I think it's because I'm used to using it. So my daughter was a little bit more, gave me a little bit more information. She said she thought this guy was better at lengthening the lashes. So she thought this side was good with lengthening. I've got a little bit of clumping right here, you guys, but again, that's user error. But she said overall she would probably pick this side, but that this side looked a little bit longer. So she gave a little bit more in depth. Okay, but so far I will say I haven't gotten any like specific like smudges. Sometimes my complaint with mascara is where it will hit up here and do a little smudge, and then I won't know. And then I won't know that it has mascara smudged up there. So it's sort of embarrassing. So far, so good. So far, again, I'm gonna let you guys decide. But again, as far as overall, I'm probably sticking with my Chantecaille, but again, I'm a little biased. I've been using it for a long time. When I'm thinking about my kind of drugstore dupes, I would actually say my CoverGirl Great Lash, the one in the orange tube. This little wand is reminding me of that. And then my other one would be my other favorite L'Oreal, and that is the Carbon Black Voluminous Mascara. Love that one. So far, that's my check-in. I'll do one last final check-in with you guys, but so far they're both wearing well throughout the day. I'm not having any irritation or smudging or anything like that. I think it's more about preference with brush. Okay, you guys, I'll check in one last time at the end of the day, and then we will decide what we think. Okay guys, I'm doing my final check-in between the battle of the Bougie Mascaras. And you guys, I'm a little biased, and that is because I am finding that I like my Chantecaille side a little bit better, but again, you know, I'm used to this. This is the kind of brush I like to use. So I'll zoom you in, and I will have you guys, you can kind of tell me which side you look better. I do feel like this one is giving my eyes a little bit more length to it. And I also want to say, I think I need to play around with this a little bit more to kind of get the hang of using this kind of brush again. This side, I'm biased again on this guy because it has a peptide that is going to help increase my lashes, and I have found that to be very helpful. As I said in the beginning, I destroyed my lashes with lash extensions, and this truly did help grow them again. So you guys let me know which one you like better. And then again, obviously nobody needs to be spending this much money on mascara. This is just a personal preference. But final thoughts on these guys, and between the two of them, you guys, packaging beautiful, weighty. I am going to continue to play a little bit with this one because I feel like if I got the hang of applying this, I might really enjoy this mascara. But because I know that this has some peptides in it to help with my lashes, to keep them healthy and growing, and the fact that I wear mascara pretty much every single day, this guy kind of becomes the winner for me because I can justify the price just a little bit. And again, you guys, this has just been a favorite in my rotation. So I hope that this was sort of a fun video. Thank you, Jenny, for the idea. She is someone who is fallen in love with this little mascara. I've heard so many good things about this. This is always going to be preference, you guys. Everybody spends their money in different ways. And again, I'm not opposed to drugstore mascara. Have it in my repertoire, do love it. I just always fall back to the fact that this helped my lashes when they were in distress. So you guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and cheers to a fantastic 2020.